Take a ride in the 2017 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, navigation system, backup camera. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.